this is LiquidOcelot. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to talk about how much earnings I made on rumble.com in October 2022. So guys, you might be asking, what is Rumble? Rumble is another YouTube alternative platform, just like BitChute, Odysee, PeerTube, and you can get your channel monetized over here as well. But they pay in USD, US dollars, and after $50 they have a $50 payment threshold. So you can, if you are interested, you can sync your YouTube channel to your Rumble account just as I did. You can see my videos, they are monetized. But the problem with this website, unlike Odysee, is that its syncing feature is not that great. Only 7 to 8 videos of mine were synced. However, my new videos, whenever I upload, they are always present here on Rumble. This one was uploaded over here on 21 hours ago, the video that I posted on YouTube yesterday, and it's monetized. So it's a very good way of earning money. So now let's get down to business, my friends. As you know, guys, I'm focusing on self-promoting my YouTube channel and not my Odysee or Rumble channels. Hence, the problem is that when I check the dates of October, I have made $0 on Rumble. This is very sad for me. I haven't even made a cent on Rumble, rumble.com. People are saying they are making a lot of money over here. However, I haven't made any money over here on rumble.com as of yet. My account is monetized, but I haven't made even a single cent on Rumble. Unlike on Odysee, which I discussed with you guys yesterday, I made 2 cents. So guys, there is a link in the description box, my invitation link. You can join Rumble and sync your YouTube channel to it. Please use my invitation link. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing off. Subscribe and press the bell notification bar. Thanks for watching.